When we write software in this class, we are using a programming language called Swift. We write code using Swift syntax, much like we speak and write English using the syntax rules of the English language. If you are writing an essay in the English language, a software application like Google Docs or Apple Pages makes this easier to do than writing that essay out by hand on paper. In the same way, we could write Swift code using a basic text editor. However, an application called Xcode makes it much easier to write Swift code. Xcode is an example of an integrated development environment, or IDE. You'll learn more about how Xcode makes writing Swift code a snap later on. Right now, we're going to download the latest version of Xcode from the App Store. To do this, open the App Store, search for Xcode. If you've already got Xcode installed on your computer, like I do, you'll see an option to update. If you don't have Xcode on your computer at all just yet, choose View, and then Get, and follow the prompts to download Xcode. Downloading Xcode may take some time, so feel free to leave the update running on your computer while you do something else. If you are using a laptop, just be sure it's plugged into a power source, or has at least 50% battery power remaining. While the update runs, you can turn the screen brightness down to save battery power.